Hello guys, this is the memory card for this camera, which is Nikon D5300, that I format photo and files video already. So I format many times, and then I want to recover the file. So how to do so? So please watch my video. So you go to the Google and search recover. I will give the link in the description, so you can find out. And you click on download free here. Scroll down a little bit. Free download here, and then click on download. It will come up below. You can do waiting here, and when you can show in folder. Yes, this is the folder. So you open the file to install in your PC. So click on install. First you click install, yeah. Run recover. Next, and then this is all. Click all, and next. Here's your file location. Check out. So my file location is dry E. And click OK. Click next. Oh, you click OK. And then please don't forget to enable this one. Enable deep scan. It means it will scan all your file in your memory card. Then click next. So it will scan your file. This is you see at the moment this is 0%. So it will scan all file to. So this is number the file that it found 27. File. See, it nearly finished now. Yeah, it's nearly finished. Nearly 100%. Just waiting. So now it's finished. So this is the file, yeah, the file that it recover for me, that I made format image. So you click all file here. So and I right click on it and recover checked. Click on recover check. It will, and I choose the folder, which folder that I want to store. Which folder I want to store. So I want to store in desktop. Yeah. So I click on new folder here, and then I rename it. How to rename? Or right click on it and rename. I write the word recover. Then OK. So it will store the file that it just recover, and move the file into the folder in desktop. So now it's finished now, yeah. It finished. Just close it and close this. See, this is the file that it recovered for me. So I lost this file. It's a lot of files. I can check all of these files. I can play video, can view the picture. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.